This animation took me 100 days to complete. I started this animation on 1st of September and ended on 11th of December. Oh, this is so serious. Actually, animation takes a very long time when you're a solo animator compared to all these big teams out there like Marvel, Disney Studio, Pixar, and all these great studios. That's why I am skipping the full progress and showing you the full clip of the animation. So stay tuned for the end. This is the animation without sound effects. So grab your popcorn and enjoy. Hit the like button and subscribe, unless I will cry. Alright, hope you enjoyed the animation without sound effects. Now this is the animation with sound effects. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the animation. This took me a very long time, 3 months. And be sure to subscribe for the full tutorial of my suffering.